your fighter. Fight. Knockout. You win.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney, but I go by Young and Geeky here on YouTube, and today's video is going to be a DIY pedicure. So I know we are stuck in quarantine and the nail shops is closed, but that do not mean you got to be walking around with little crusty busty feet. So I'm going to show you how to do a DIY pedicure for the low. No! So I like to start by using this little foot grater thing that I actually got off Amazon. It was really cheap. I will link it down in the description box below. So I like to start with really dry feet to get basically like a little pre-file going on, and it really just helps get all that dead skin off. It's like a method to do before you start soaking. So this is actually all the dead skin that we got off by just using the little foot file. Disgusting. So this foot spa was actually a Christmas gift, but it did come from Walmart and it was really affordable. This green stuff was given to me by my old boss as a Christmas gift as well. So I'm just going to take it and throw it all inside of the foot spa. Then I'm going to go in with some Dr. Teal's pure Epsom salt and put up maybe about a cup full in the water as well. And some Nivea to add some nice bubbles to the water. And my secret, Listerine. I know y'all thinking, why are you using Listerine on your feet? But trust me, y'all, it helps. Like, it really, really helps. It will get your feet so freaking soft. I promise. Just try it. Just try it. And now I'm going to soak my feet for at least 30 minutes. And y'all, this feels so good. For this thing to not have been that expensive, it feels so good. It has that thing in the middle. You just rub your feet on and just give yourself a little self-massage. Ooh, it just feels so good, y'all. So now I'm going to take my pumice stone that I had put in the water to get a little bit soft, and I'm going to actually start scrubbing my heels. I like to use the pumice stone all over. As you can see, I definitely cut myself on my ankle, but I'm going to do the other foot as well. And this just helps to get some more of the dead skin that the foot file did not get. And now I'm going to clip my toenails. I got these from Walmart, those clippers. I like my toenails to be pretty short because my nails tend to grow really fast and it tends to hurt me, put shoes on and stuff. So I like to just cut mine down really short. And please don't make fun of me because I don't have a pinky toenail. I was already bullied as a child. I don't need to hurt again, okay? Thank you. Now I'm going to take this foot file that I got from Walmart. Y'all, when I tell you all the pedicure and manicure stuff is like wiped from the shelves because everybody is trying to do their nails, I literally found this on accident and it was like stupid cheap. I think it was less than $10. Like, it was pure luck that I found it. I actually walked down the wrong aisle and found it. But I'm just going to use it to file my feet. I really like it. It really helped get all the dead skin off. Then I'm going to take some nail polish remover and I'm going to soak a cotton ball in it and actually hold it on my nail because I had gel polish on and that crap is hard as heck to get off. So now I'm just taking off that ugly yellow polish that I had on my toes. Okay, I know this is what y'all came here for, to see the icky stuff. So I'm going to take this cuticle stick and I'm going underneath my nail bed to really get all that dead skin out. And boy, it was a lot, y'all. I have not had a pedicure in so long because of this freaking quarantine. So all that dead skin that's coming out, it's just, ugh, it was well needed. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to go around my nail bed, push my cuticles back with it, just really trying to scrape all that dead skin off. Next, I'm taking this cuticle pusher and I'm actually cutting my cuticles and also pushing them back too. That tool does both of those things, and I got that from Walmart. Most of the stuff I got from Walmart, but I will be sure to link everything down in the description box below. Okay, it's time to file. That tool I believe I got from Walmart as well, and it has like 6 different sides on it to do different things to your nails, but I like to, shape mine into a square. And then I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol just to clean my nail bed and get it super clean. Then I'm going to take some cuticle oil and put it on my cuticles, and I like to put that on both toes and then really massage it in, and it just feels so good. I just wanted y'all to see me struggle with these stupid ass things. I ended up like throwing them because they wouldn't fit. So now I'm going to put down a base coat underneath my polish. And then I'm going to go ahead and get started painting, and I chose white. And then proceeded to F it right on up, but that's okay, we'll just paint right on over it. And the easiest way to clean up your mistakes is to just get a Q-tip and dip it inside your acetone or a nail polish remover, and that way you can get like a precise cleanup and you won't like smudge your nails or anything. After that, I actually like to apply a second coat, and then I'm going to go on top of it with a top coat. I think it was the Sally Hansen Instant Drying Top Coat. It's in the red bottle at Walmart. And that is it, y'all. Here's the finished results. If you zoom in, it's not perfect because I'm not a professional, but if you zoom back out, it looks okay. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and join the YNK family. And I will see you all next Thursday at 4 p.m. Bye.